In this video, I will tell you about the block editor command in AutoCAD. Located under the Home tab in the block panel, the block editor command can be used to edit the block objects that we created before. Actually, we talked about this part in the blocks video, but now we will go into further detail. After entering the command, we need to select any block from the list. Actually, we can see the previews of the blocks if you'll remember. Once we enter the insert command, we can see which blocks are on our computer right now. As you can see, there's a block called door 1. I want to edit this block. When I double click on it, I'll see the block definition panel again, so we don't have to find it on the list. After pressing the OK button, you can see that we have a separate page to work with. Some users tell us that not every command works on this page. That is correct, some commands might not work here, and you might get an error message. This is a special area where you can find commands aimed at editing blocks. Here you can create dynamic blocks. What's a dynamic block? For example, if a door has more than one measure, we don't have to create a block for each measure. This is actually a very comprehensive topic. Here we can have multiple objects with different measures combined into a single block. Thus, we can comfortably create more than one object. Of course, we can change all of these by using parameters, actions, and parameter sets. So, you can have standard tables and such objects here. We can also have parametric objects and measurements as well here. Here, we can see that there are geometric parameters here, as we call them. We can assign features like joining objects adjacently, making them parallel, or making them concentric. We can use them in the dynamic blocks. All the changes we made within the block, as you know, work the same way on all drawings that are the same block. So the changes we make in the block editor also affect the other sides. We need to remember this. Here, after making any changes, for example, let's draw a line and see the message. When we click close here, this window pops up. If we click save, it saves the change. If I click discard, then it will discard the changes. When I press the save button, the block object has now been edited. Located under the Home tab in the block panel, the block editor command can be used to edit blocks in our drawings. The changes we make affect all the blocks with the same name. This is important. In this video, we told you about the block editor command in AutoCAD. We hope to see you in another video.